Hello everyone, this is Afsar Ali. So in this video, we're gonna learn about ngrok. So what is ngrok basically? So ngrok is a tool you can say which can uh, share your local host to public, right? So suppose you are running something on your local machine. Suppose I'm running this particular thing in my local host 8080, all right, or any project you have, and you 8080 or maybe any other 3000, right? Maybe sometimes 3000 port. This particular website is running in your local machine, and you want to share or you want to access it from other computer. Okay, so you can do that using IP address. If you are within the same network or same Wi-Fi, you can access using your particular IP address and then port number. But what if you are outside of this network? You want to access from your mobile or from some other Jenkins or somewhere else. You want to access this particular website which is running in your machine locally. Okay, so is there any way we can do that? Yes, there is a way. For that, we will be using ngrok. Okay, so ngrok basically can connect your local machine from any other computer or any other servers. All right, we can do that. So for that, we need to install. Let's see how we can install ngrok in your machine and export 8080 port, because I am running this particular thing on my 8080 port. So okay, localhost 8080. So right, so this is running fine. So now I'll be downloading ngrok. So I'm using Mac OS X, right? So just download this particular thing for you in your case. All right. So in your case, maybe it is Linux, Windows. Based on that, you need to install ngrok. So once you install it, unzip it. All right. Once you unzip, maybe you can see something like this. ngrok. It's three thing because I already have ngrok installed previously, ngrok 1 2. All right, so this is the one. So once you unship that, you need to uh, run this command. So before that, you need your auth token. Okay, so auth token can be, you can get it in here if you sign up. Okay, if you don't have account already, you need to sign up for ngrok. So just go and sign up using your Gmail account or something else. All right, then you'll get the auth token in here. I already have my account, so I'll be just logging in. All right, so let me just log in using my account. So I logged in using my Gmail account. So I can see here my auth token, right? So what I can do, just copy this whole thing from here and paste in the terminal. All right, and I should see users mdfsir ali ngrok 2 ngrok yaml. So one file is being generated in this particular directory. All right, so in that my credentials, my auth token, the authentication token is being saved into that particular YAML file. All right, so once I have that, I can just run command below other command. So you can also read more about like how to do things. You can just go through the documentation here. If you go to the documentation, you can see how we can expose local web server to the internet. You can see ngrok http 8080 or any port you want to export. You can do that as well. All right, if you want to expose this 80, then you can write ngrok http 80. And if you want to do HTTPS, then you can write the same way, HTTPS 80. All right. So similarly, you'll see your local host is 80 is being now available into this URL. All right, into this URL. If you want to access from outside of the your particular network, you can access this localhost 8080 from anywhere, right? And the cool thing is it's completely free ngrok, so you can do the thing what you want to do, right? And if I want to run it, what I can do, ngrok http 8080. I'm exposing 8080 because my project is running on localhost 8080. All right, so if I click on that, and I should see my localhost 8080 is now being redirected to or forwarded to this particular website. You can say the host name. All right, so I should be able to access my project from here. All right, yeah, I can see, and I can also connect anywhere. All right, I can access it from anywhere. Right, so this is a cool feature of ngrok, and yeah, so and also you can do with the SSH connection using TCP. If you want to make this particular machine as a slave machine, you can use ngrok, and you can forward port for 22 port for SSH, and you can make this particular machine as a slave in Jenkins. All right, so this is how we can use ngrok. So that's it for this video.